We offer an advanced capstone in our STEM lineup, the Unity Game Engine Coding and Design course, designed for motivated junior high students and older elementary learners ready to take game development to a professional level. Unity is one of the most powerful and widely used game engines in the industry, powering everything from indie hits to major mobile, PC, console, and VR titles. It's the tool many aspiring developers choose when they want to create realistic, polished 2D or 3D experiences that feel truly industry-grade. This course is positioned as the culminating step in our game engine progression, typically taken after students have built confidence through Scratch, Visual Basics, Minecraft, Creative Logic, and Roblox Studio, scripting and multiplayer design. It's ideal for young creators who are serious about game development and eager to work with real-world tools. Students dive into professional-grade skills, coding in C#, the primary language for Unity, alongside visual scripting for faster prototyping and logic flow. They master 2D and 3D scene building, lighting, materials, physics, animations, UI design, audio integration, and optimization techniques. Projects grow from simple prototypes to more complex playable games with polished mechanics, environments, and player interactions. The course rewards dedication. Learners see their ideas evolve into sophisticated creations they can build, test, share, and even consider submitting to platforms or portfolios. It fosters not only technical proficiency, but also artistic vision, problem solving under constraints, and an understanding of how modern games are engineered. For junior high students and advanced elementary ones who dream of creating immersive worlds, pursuing game design seriously, or exploring career paths in tech and creative industries, our Unity course delivers the advanced exposure and hands-on depth needed to bridge from hobbyist to aspiring professional. If your child has progressed through our earlier game engines and is hungry for the next challenge, Unity is the gateway to realistic, industry-relevant game creation.